Herzlich willkommen zurück zu Let's Play Wolf Among Us. Wir sind da gerade im Pöff. Wir haben von einer Meerjungfrau haben wir das Zeug bekommen, den Schlüssel. Sozusagen auch der Tipp, dass da im 207 etwas los war. Das Telefon, für was auch immer. Oh! Probably. Ich kann mal schauen, wer da arbeitet. Vielleicht werden wir überrascht. Oh.
You. I work here, okay? I work the front desk. It's to help pay rent. So, now you know. I know I should have told somebody, but Beast would lose his mind if you knew.
Ich sag
Beast is
nicht.
a proud man, Bigby. He wants to do right by me, and he just couldn't handle it if he knew I had to do this so we don't get evicted.
Well, your secret's safe with me, all right? Let's not make a big thing of it.
Thanks, Bigby. And thanks for covering for me last time, too.
It's okay.
So, what are you doing here? Oh, you have a key.
Someone else was murdered last night.
I heard.
The victim was someone who worked at the Pudding and Pie. Lily. She, come around here ever?
Oh, yes, the troll. I did see her.
Troll face.
You know, we never really spoke, but she came off a tad intimidating.
Mit wem hast du
Ever
Lily
see
gesehen?
Lily with someone here? Maybe on a job.
Sometimes, but nobody I've recognized. I haven't worked here that long, though.
Okay.
How about a room register? Or someone named Mr. Smith?
That's all we get here. Smiths, Jones, or Johnsons. I think the last ones are jokes.
Du kannst sicher den
I talked to
Tweedledee.
Tweedledee earlier today. He mentioned you in passing. Do you know him? Or his brother?
I took out a loan for back pay. It was like our third notice. And ever since then, those annoying freaks have been pestering me for the money, plus interest.
Why take out a loan from those two?
It was from the crooked man.
Beauty.
You don't know how desperate I was, Bigby. I had nowhere else to go.
Look, if this ever happens again, I'm seeing the snow first, alright?
I tried.
What? Hast du die Snow da
We've
gesehen?
seen Snow White down here. Or maybe somebody glamored as her.
You know, it's funny. I did see someone who I thought looked a lot like her, but she didn't say anything when she saw me, even though she knew that I saw her. I just assumed it wasn't snow and went about my business.
Faith?
Ever meet a girl named Faith? Or just maybe hear that name?
I might have. I don't know. By the end of the night, it's kind of a blur with all the names. Tara, Brandy, Amber, Heather. Sorry.
Gehen wir mal, huh?
Thanks.
Wait. It'll be better if anyone sees you that they at least see you with me, so they know that I didn't let you just wander around by yourself.
Okay. Warte mich
5
einfach.
minutes, please.
We'll see, Beauty.
Just be ready to act like I'm trying to kick you out.
Okay.
It won't be hard.
Ist er sich gewöhnt, hä?
Listen, Bigby. I assume you'll be filing some kind of an official report or something. Which is fine, it's just that I was wondering if I need to be in it. Do you have to mention my name? I mean, it's not like Beast would ever see your report. It's just, well, you never know.
Don't worry about it. The less I have to write down, the better.
I don't know.
Thanks. I appreciate it. Well, here we are. Which one was it?
Lass mal da. schauen wir mal rein. Ich habe das Gefühl, da könnte ein Mörder sein. Aha, look at. Schade, ich hätte echt reinschauen. Wir gehen da rein.
You have keys to these rooms?
I thought you had a key.
Not to this one.
Hold on, Bigby. I can't just let you go into any room you want. Seriously, what if someone found out? I could get into a lot
Mach's
of trouble.
auf oder ich
You could
schlage
just
sie.
break in the door if you prefer.
No, don't. I'll help you. Just
Danke.
don't break anything. Well, that's weird. This key is supposed to open every room in the building, but it's not working.
Beauty!
Ah, shit.
Beast?
Bigby,
Oh shit.
how could you do this to me?
Ey,
No,
Alter.
sweetie, no. Wait a minute.
How could you do this? We've been together through everything. I took care of you. I love.
It's not what you think. Please.
You're cheating on me.
Oh,
with
come
him.
on.
No, no, Beast. I promise I'm not. I'm helping him. That's all.
I'll bet. I'm sure you help each other just great.
This is a murder investigation.
Als ob
She's
es
helping
glaubt.
me.
Stop lying to me. What the fuck is wrong with you? She's my wife.
Oh my
Beast,
god.
listen to me. There's nothing going on. I'm not.
Ah!
Ich hab's gewusst.
Bastard! I guess I finally see you for who you are.
Stop. Stop it.
I knew you were sneaking around.
Listen to your wife. Just calm down.
Er schlägt mich.
Beast.
Ich will ihn nicht schlagen.
What the hell do you think you're doing? You aren't even listening to me.
She's my wife, Bigby.
Und ich mach nichts. Come on.
Stop.
Come on, ich will nicht. Nein, mach ich nicht. Oh, wird ich auch gesmashed.
Beast, stop.
Ich werde zum Wolf.
Beast, no. I understand.
Ausgewichen. Come on. Nein. Ich will das... Ah! Ich will das nicht. Nein, Mann. Ich schlage ihn nicht. Scheißegal.
You ruined everything! She's my fucking wife!
Nein, Mann, ich will nicht schlagen. Oh yeah, perfekt.
Shit.
Ja,
have you done?
danke.
Bigby,
What you did to the door. You can't just act like this whenever
stand
you...
back. You don't want to see this.
Danke. Door's open.
Got the door open.
Oh my god.
Don't touch anything.
Is this...
Lily met her client here, Mr. Smith, whoever he is.
And then,
Must have happened right here.
Jesus.
last night?
Yeah?
I was on shift last night.
On shift? Beauty, what?
I'm not a prostitute, you idiot. I work the front desk.
Do you remember who rented this room last night?
I don't think anyone...
Puh,
did.
ist nochmal gut gegangen.
Maybe they have it long term. I don't know. How am I supposed to know? It just seemed like a totally normal night. How is that even possible? There's so much blood.
Go lock the front door. Keep people out of the hallway.
Yep. Oh,
I
dit
need
had
you to
Parfum.
be sure no one comes in here. This is a crime scene, okay?
Just do what he says. I'll explain later, okay?
Seine Augen. Oh, so creepy.
Bigby,
Blutrot und
what kind of a
rot und
person
Blut
could
und...
do
Oh.
something like this?
That's exactly what I'm about to try to find out.
Kassette ist...
Do all the rooms have these same clocks with the built-in cassette player?
I think so, yes.
Nothing special. Das sind die gleichen
Where'd
Blüten.
you get that?
Lily had it in her hand, in case there was any doubt over who died here.
Mhm.
I can't believe this.
Was ist das? Kassette. For my arrival. Wow, wow, wow. Was
Must
kostet?
been rough with this dress. It's torn.
Oh no, she must have been wearing it. He killed her and then he took it back off?
Hat er...
No, there's no blood. It must have been torn some other time.
Wahrscheinlich hat sie da zuerst mal...
We shouldn't even be in here.
I know. Wahrscheinlich hat er sie da erst verwandelt und nachher angelegt und dann umgebracht. What?
Bigby, this? I think I heard this music. Last night. It was playing pretty loudly for a while and then stopped in the middle. I didn't think twice about it at the time. I mean, you hear all kinds of things around here, and I guess I've already gotten used to blocking them out.
Would have covered up the sound of the murder.
Okay. Wollen wir mit... Apple.
Do you smell something?
No, just apple.
Vielleicht hat er gleich Gift drin, wo man nicht schmeckt. Zigarette, was ist das für eine? Storybook. Ashtray, ja, ich schau mal an. Vielleicht...
It's a huff and puff.
I thought you were the only one who smoked that crap brand.
Apparently not.
Okay. Was ist es für eine
He
Weinflasche?
brought wine.
Classy.
Bevor wir das andere anschauen, will ich zuerst mit ihr reden. Nicht, dass die Situation... Wie finde ich heraus, wer das
Find out who
gemietet
rented
hat?
this room.
Find whoever has the key? I'm pretty sure this one must be held long term. And we don't keep a register or anything. This case is intentionally kind of anonymous.
I keep hearing that.
Das ist so mühsam. Besser, du versteckst
I'd
nichts,
better
gell?
not find out you're hiding something from me about all this.
What the hell is wrong with you? I'm not involved in this.
Ja, ich glaube, das ist gut,
Please just do whatever you need to do and let's get out of here.
Okay, reden wir nachher nochmal. Das ist wahrscheinlich einfach das Schneewittli. Yep.
What is
Aha.
that?
It's a book about Snow White. Or about the Mundy version of her story, anyway.
What is it?
The dress in the closet is the same as the one in this picture. I think Smith was dressing Lily up in it to recreate the snow from the book.
You're right. It's the same dress. I guess he wanted to get the details right. God, role-playing as a person who really exists, who we know. That's just weird. I'm not sure who to feel worse for. Okay, no, I take that back.
Wieso ist das Parfüm wieder dort?
The whole book is about her?
Yeah.
Oh no. What else? Something about the apple? What?
I think the apple is part of his fantasy about Snow White. That would explain the one we found on the floor.
Oh no. Do you think it was poisoned?
Could
It
be.
wasn't. I'd have smelled that.
Okay.
I think it's just a prop. It's here because they were acting out the scene in the book.
Of course. That makes perfect sense.
Aber wo ist das
But of all the
Kopfabschneiden dabei?
stories to pick, they were acting out the apple thing. This guy really has a thing about snow. It's like pathological.
Getting that feeling. Yes.
Oh my god, that poor girl. She couldn't have known. She
Waar komt
probably
dit?
just needed the money.
Ah, de beest.
Could have been anyone. How did she wind up here? I mean, not exactly here, but just how does a person...
Georgie took advantage
Yeah.
of her when she was in trouble. He's a real predator.
Yeah.
Es ist so schwierig, am zur rechten Zeit zu entscheiden. Ich will noch weiter schauen. Was ist
Why is she in a
breathing?
glass coffin?
This is the part where she's in a deep sleep, but they think she's dead.
Huh.
Oh God, Bigby, this is too weird. Why did he mark this page?
Ja voll, weil wegen der Blüte und allem.
I think he made up the bed to match the coffin in the picture. Flowers, too. He'd have had Lily lie down just like this.
Aha.
You mean just before?
In the story, that's when someone comes to kiss her. That's our Mr. Smith.
How far does this snow thing go? Making a coffin for her on the bed is out of hand. I can see the whole picture now. It all goes together like you said. This creep put that girl in a Snow White dress and recreated the whole story from the book with the apple and the deep sleep and everything. You're a better detective than I thought you'd be.
Thanks.
Also so schwierig ist es
So he
jetzt
planned
nicht
it
gewesen.
all out. He had all the details noted down. Only then, when it comes time to kiss her and wake her up.
Yeah.
I hope you're just about through. I don't really want to stay in here any longer.
Oh, nur noch etwas. Wir schauen, was das ist im nächsten Part. Bis dann. Peace. Herzlich willkommen zurück zu Let's Play Wolf Among Us. Ja, es war da ein ziemlicher Weirdo, der Snow White nachgestellt hat. Und wir schauen mal, was der Wolf da noch gefunden hat. Aha, einfach ein Bild von ihr.
Are those pictures of the dead girl? How do you know?
I'm in this one. It was taken last winter.
Huh.
No. Bigby. This kind of stalking, it doesn't just stop by itself. Trust me, I know about this firsthand. He'll keep trying to get closer and closer.
His stand-in for Snow is gone now, so...
The next step closer.
Oh. Wer ist
What
drauf?
is it?
It's... Crane.
What? Ich glaube nicht, dass er der Mörder ist. Oh. Er ist, glaube ich, einfach sehr verliebt ins Schneewittli und nachher ist einer gekommen. Okay, Leute, sorry, ich muss das nochmal zusammenschneiden. Sorry, dass ich schon Tschüss gesagt habe.
Good. I am dying to get my hands on that disgusting weasel.
Gewiss, verheimlicht etwas. Aber ich glaube, er liebt sie einfach.
Starting to like you, Sheriff. You're not afraid to be a complete bastard.
Obviously, there will have to be some changes.
Oh no.
Hello, Bigby.
Oh no.
Take care of it, Bigby, or I'll take care of it for you.
Jesus Christ, Bigby. Is that you?
Oh, Toad. Okay. Georgie Porgy. No, wow. Gut, liebe Leute. Das wär's gewesen mit dem Kapitel 2. Wir sehen uns nächstes Mal wieder. Ha? Bis dann. Peace.